Are you ready, guys?
Aba! Syempre po!
Okay. Number 22. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Yay! Hindi ba yun? Which planet is closest to the sun? Mars.
Mercury.
Number 27. Capital city of Philippines. Manila.
In what year did the Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan arrive on the shores of the Philippines? Number 6. 1801.
Bakit? Kukunin na to?
Hindi, ibigay mo kayo, no?
Ay. Oh my God! Ay, oh my God! Oh my God!
In what year did the Portuguese explorers Ferdinand Magellan arrive on? 18th century?
Capital city of Australia.
Hala!
Number 29.
Hala!
Canberra. Number 23. What is the process by which a liquid changes into a gas?
Ay, grabe! Five, four,
Hindi ko alam, bobo ako eh.
Hindi ko alam.
Bobo nga ako eh. Oy, nagpapatuto to.
What is the process by which a liquid changes into a gas? Evaporation?
Yeah!
Number 18. Pambansang ibon ng Pilipinas. Eagle. Philippine Eagle.
Number 39. Where is the summer capital of the country? Pa?
What is the capital?
Of the Philippines. Uy! No judgment pero Baguio. O, mahirap na naman. Bakit ganon?
Airport code of Dumaguete. Ito talaga Number 9. Ito siguro makakasagot na ako. Digit eh. 30. Number 10. The big 30. The biggest continent on Earth.
Biggest continent on Earth.
Asia? Asia.
AOS means Affidavit of Support. Question number 4. In which province is the Mayon volcano located? Albay.
Question number 16. How many seconds in a full minute? 60?
Loka! Number 28. Capital city of Canada. Pwede mo palit?
How many seconds?
Oh, hindi yan.
Hindi ba to?
Capital city yung ano na yun. Next na.
Anong sagot doon?
Ottawa.
Ottawa. Yes. Number 37. The national anthem of the Philippines is titled Lupang Hinirang.
Number 12, Bancasi, Butuan Airport Code. BTU? BTX?
Kaya anong tanong? Bangkasi, Butuan Airport Code. Number 24. What is the chemical element with the symbol Fe? Iron?
Number 25, airport code of Heydar Aliyev International Airport, Baku, Azerbaijan. BRU?
Airport code to sa Bacolod. GYD.
Number 38. What are the 3 major islands in the Philippines? Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Last three na lang.
Number 10, the IATA airline code for the Philippine Airline is PR.
The biggest planet in our solar system is Sun.
Oh my God! Wow!
Planet? Planet ba? Eh di Mars.
Number 35. Biggest planet in our solar system. Jupiter.
Number 13, Pambansang Bayani ng Pilipinas. Oh my gosh, Jose Rizal. Jose Rizal, sir. Oh, sir. Jose Rizal. Jose P. Rizal. Oh my God. Thank you so much for watching.